When crossing a street in the town of Mount Pleasant, everyone should be on the lookout for rectangular rapid flashing beacons, or RRFBs. The town has begun installing RRFBs to address concerns about pedestrian safety. RRFBs are placed at marked pedestrian crosswalks located along a roadway or at unsignalized intersections. So how do they work? When pedestrians approach a marked crosswalk with RRFBs, they should stop and press the push button located under the pedestrian crossing sign. This will activate the RRFBs and the lights to flash, alerting drivers that a person is about to cross. Once the lights are flashing, drivers must stop to allow the person to cross. Pedestrians should always make certain that all approaching vehicles have actually stopped before entering the crosswalk. The lights will continue to flash to allow enough time for a person to safely cross the road. Once the pedestrian has crossed the road, drivers can then proceed. The benefits of RRFBs and marked crosswalks can only be realized if we all work together and follow these key safety tips.